Hiya folks, Skip Sprang here over by Carriage Typewriters, inviting you to come on down to the showroom. Or, as we've been calling it lately, the time machine. Because you'll be transported to the future as you witness the power and ease of the self-correcting IBM Selectrix 2 with patented high-speed typeball. I'm telling you, if you picked this baby up yesterday, you'll still be the last business or home on your block to have one. They're going just that fast. So come on down while you can, because tomorrow has never been as close, as it is right now.
Carriage Typewriters in the heart of downtown Fargo at the corner of 2nd Avenue North and Robert Street, across from the post office. Don't skip Sprang, come see Skip Sprang for all your typewriter needs. Open 7 days weekly.